Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set pattern lock on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll down and here you can see the password and security. Okay, so just click on password and security. After that, here is the screen lock. Click on screen lock. Then the first option is the pattern, so move on pattern. So here you have to wait 45 seconds. So this is the important notice. Okay, just check from here. If you forget your password, you won't be able to get your contact numbers because it will be deleted. Okay, so click on got it. Draw the nice button that you can remember forever. Okay, so draw again, redraw, then confirm. Okay, so here I have finished to do my battle log. If you want to set, you can set like that. Okay, if you don't understand, you can comment me on comment section. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.